Let's start with what the service is that we're trying to perpetuate for the public. The city is rolling out 1,000 Wi-Fi hotspots between now and the end of the mayoral term, and this is obviously on the back of the Joburg broadband network. These are free to use up to a certain level, but the problem is that we need to educate the public on how to use them effectively and how to actually improve their lives using the Wi-Fi.
Did you know that there's free Wi-Fi in the bus?
Free Wi-Fi, I didn't know. On the route I was not aware, but on the stations I'm aware because I usually use it.
I had no idea.
Now, you can't just expect people to go to a website or use an app on their phone if no one's shown them how to do it. So we actually need people to literally go out there and create the habits of consumers who are going to use the Wi-Fi. It's a prime opportunity for youth. So our Jozi at Work program is the framework for the whole thing because we're contracting with micro digital enterprises. These are youth-owned digital micro enterprises that are going to be roaming around the city doing this consumer education, public education work. They will be literally going out onto the buses, into the public spaces, taking tablets with them and basically showing people how on their phones to access our new Maru Jozi or cloud-based platform.
The role Vulindlela Jozi plays is to ensure that we source and match the correct youth in order for them to start their enterprises and to go on and service the community. So when we're looking for the right profile, we have certain criteria. So youth have to be between the age of 18 and 34. They have to have had a matric. They have to be geographically located close to one of the numerous hotspot installations that the city is going through. And then they go through a matching process. Thereafter, they'll go through a training process with the University of Joburg.
Firstly, we're there to capacitate the digital ambassadors, and that is in a variety of things. It's in skills, digital skills, business skills, and life skills. The digital ambassadors will therefore each have a mentor that contacts them weekly, visits them, discusses problems. And I do think it's a wonderful opportunity for the digital ambassadors and the mentors to be part of this fantastic project of the City of Joburg.
Today is the first time we've opened up to young members of the public the opportunity to actually put themselves forward for the Digital Ambassadors program. We've been speaking about it as a city for quite a while. The mayor highlighted it in his State of the City address this year, but now we're actually on the ground having people go through assessments, fill out the initial paperwork to actually get themselves into the program. So today is the beginning, really, of putting the Digital Ambassadors program on the ground.
I think it's a good initiative. I think it's going to open a lot of doors for a lot of people, especially in terms of the digital program and bringing it to Johannesburg and Soweto and allowing everybody to be part of it. I think a lot of people are going to be employed if we are trained and we are put in Soweto especially. A lot of people are going to be able to create jobs and train those people, those kids that are disadvantaged and teach them how to use, internet, Wi-Fi, computers and etc.
The hall's full of young people. They're ambitious, they're hungry, they want to know how this fits together. They're asking the right questions. I think I'm very glad we started in Soweto. I think this is exactly the kind of place where you find the kind of hungry young people that are looking for these kind of opportunities.